Hello friends, I'm Anna from Rich-ZhYao. Today, let's take a close look at our independent research manufactured manual powder coating line. Every detail reflects our ultimate pursuit of the quality. The core system of the manual powder coating line consists of the support columns, sliding rails, and fixed rails. All of them are designed based on the maximum size and weight of the customer's workpiece. In terms of manufacturing, all of our components are powder coating in our own factory. For the colors, it can be customized according to customers' requirements for better project matching and visual consistency. We also equip the manual powder coating line with the performance enhancement devices such as pneumatic locking devices. By only pressing button, it will be connected two tracks together. This prevents accidental detractment. Self-rotating chain system. It can automatic conveying workpiece, enabling more comprehensive and efficient powder coating. Quick adjustable hire interface. These types of hires are for hiring different workpiece sizes and shapes. Make work more convenient. Whether for small or large-scale production, manual powder coating line all suitable. We sincerely invite you to visit our factory. Okay, this is today's introduction. I'm Anna from Rich-ZhYao. See you next time.
Rich-ZhYao. Together, we color the world.